From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at Bitcoin. We did fall a bit during the trading session on Monday, and I think the weekend has shown us pretty much what we see every time Bitcoin makes another major step towards normalcy. Wall Street says, "Here, retail traders, hold my bag." And that's exactly what just happened. Now, I don't necessarily think it's the end of the uptrend, but there are some things to think about. There's an ETF coming. Is that a good or a bad thing? Well, the one thing that it does do is it makes it easier for institutions to get involved, and that's great. But another thing that it's going to do is going to make it much easier to short Bitcoin. So that is going to make Bitcoin a normal market, controlled by Wall Street, probably manipulated by Wall Street. So ironically, this is everything that Bitcoin aficionados never wanted. I knew there was some trouble when we got wind of the ETF, like on this day or this day, and we broke above this crucial 47,500 level and then gave back the gains. The next clear-cut sign that there was going to be trouble is all of a sudden my YouTube feed is filled with Bitcoin to $100,000. This reminds me so much of when Bitcoin released a futures contract. I've only placed one Bitcoin futures contract trade in my life, and it was to short the contract. And I think it rose for about an hour and then just fell precipitously from there. That being said, I do think that we probably are going to be in a range at best in the short term, with 40,000 underneath offering support, 47,500 being very resistive. There will be a lot of questions asked at this point, I think. The reality is the 80% that we rose was in anticipation of what just happened. So now you have to ask yourself, what's going to get it to move?